Students, the next part of your assignment after you collect your resources is to complete an outline. Now obviously you need to start out with a thesis statement, so if you have not watched the How to Write a Thesis Statement video, please do that first. In an outline, we organize our thoughts for our 5-paragraph essay. There will be an introduction, a body which contains 3 paragraphs, and then a conclusion. How to organize this essay, you'll find that information on How to Write a Thesis Statement as well. Please notice in the outline that all items highlighted will be complete sentences. Everything else will be incomplete sentences. In our introduction, you'll have a thesis statement. You'll provide a hook or an interesting fact, which, as you can see, I've given you perhaps a question. Can you imagine what it would be like to sleep on a cold pavement in the dead of winter? Or you could do a fact. Shockingly, 40% of homeless Americans are under the age of 18. So you need to find something that's going to get your audience's attention. Don't forget background information. Some of you are doing topics on different countries or the events happening in those countries. I need to know a little bit of the history of these places. Remember, assume your reader knows nothing about your topic. From your thesis statement, you will have divided your research into 3 points. Each point, you will have a topic sentence for that paragraph. Then below that, you will need to have examples and support. Over here, I've shown you that examples and support can be direct quotations from your research. You can have statistics, anecdotes, which are stories, so first-hand experiences. You can provide facts. You can give definitions. If you have specific terms that maybe some people wouldn't understand, make sure you define those. You can't assume that your reader knows your topic. Give specific instances or examples. You could compare and contrast your topic to something that is more commonly known. Make sure to explain yourself, or you can give reasons. So these are just some options of how you can support your topics or your points. You'll do a restated thesis in your conclusion. You will tie up your thoughts, and you can always give your final thought or challenge, which, as you remember, is your Miss America moment. Please do not end your paper in conclusion. I ask you to do an outline, and I tell you that there is a template on Angel. This template looks exactly like this. Students, you need only fill it out. My topic is Mrs. Koharchik's Amazing Talents. Now, all you need to do is highlight what you don't want and then write your actual thesis. Oh, that got messed up. Excuse me. Let's go back. Just write in your actual thesis statement. Mrs. Koharchik is an amazing individual due to her compassion, humor, and unmatched intelligence. Okay? And then I'm going to get rid of this one complete sentence. I don't need it. Hook or interesting fact. Obviously, I could make up something about how I'm so compassionate that I saved the life of a young child, and then I told a great joke to make them smile. I can give background information. Who is the Mrs. Koharchik that everyone knows? Where did she come from? What helped mold her into the person she is today? Then I'll move down to the body. For my topic sentence, I'll have to write something about my first point, which is my compassion. Mrs. Koharchik's compassion is demonstrated in her blah, 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 and maybe I have one more. Make sure that you delete this part that I don't need. After that, write in your examples. Save the life of a small child from a burning building. Now, you're going to have to use your research, so right ahead, I would go ahead and write which source you got it from. So maybe I got this from Reed on page 13. Students, I have every confidence that you know how to write topic sentences. My big thing here is please make sure you include support. Below, you'll do your restated thesis and tie your thoughts together. I'm happy to help you if you have specific questions, but if you need to, please watch this video again and then come see Mr. Weldy or me.